guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here and today's what, March 13th, Hubby's birthday, and we're gonna go out to dinner. So why not, you know, slay to go out with the bae. See what I did there, slay with bae. So yeah, so if you want to see what I come up with, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so actually it just fits, right? Today's my baby birthday. I know it's not Valentine's Day, but it's like, this is love Epidemic, you know, love hubby, and from Pimby. And I'm gonna go ahead and play with, I'm guessing this purples right here maybe. So yeah, let's just jump into it because I don't have too much time. So first I'm gonna go into Contagious. I'm just gonna say the names, maybe not show the palette. And this is an E13 from Morphe. And I'm just gonna put it right here. I'm stamping. Man, oh, I kind of change how I eat, or like time, and it's been doing like really good for my health and my weight loss journey. However, today we kind of ate breakfast late, so I had to kind of put the reservation for a little bit later. But it's all good, it's all good. And I'm just stamping, no blending. This is actually not a very good brush for blending, so it works out perfect. But it is a very good brush for just packing on shade, you know. Now I'm gonna use a 204 and we're gonna go into Loyalty. And I'm just gonna stamp this right here, like right here. Just stamp. No blending, guys, no blending just yet. Just pack and stamp. And now I'm gonna go into an endearment, which is just a really light purple. And then I'm just gonna tap this like right here, just on the edges, guys, just to like blend that out. And ooh, and then back to Loyalty. And then back to Endearment. And then I'm gonna go back to Contagious, which is that first purple. Oh my god. Yeah, this is definitely pretty. Okay. Now just leave it like this, but no, I'm not gonna do that. So this is a 209. And what is my glitter glue? No, I'm still gonna use that 209, but I'm just gonna put some of this here. Like so. And now I'm gonna go into Attracted. And for that, I'm gonna use a T48 from Makeup Shack. So, and now I need another small blush. Let's use this. This is number 13 brush from Rephr, and I'm gonna go into Desire, which is kind of a shimmer, and then I'm just. And now we're gonna go back into Contagious and just blend it nice. Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back. Eyes are done. We're back and eyes are done. We're back, eyes are done. Okay, and now we're gonna jump into the face. So today, if I can find it, I think I'm gonna go in with my Nars foundation. I'm still looking for it, but if I can find it, we can use something else. It's fine. Oh, it's right here. So this is my Nars Soft Matte Complete foundation, and we're gonna use that today. But you know what, I'm gonna do how I did my last couple of times for my face. So first we're gonna go in with concealer. I'm gonna use my Becca Ultimate Coverage Concealer, and then I'm gonna use my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. So I'm gonna use 2 concealers. I know I'm doing the most. This concealer from Becca, it's ultimate coverage. Like, it is full coverage. I wish I gotten it a little bit darker, maybe just a little bit, I don't know. That's my heart. I'm terrible. I'm a terrible drawer. Okay, and now I'm gonna use the Can't Stop Won't Stop from NYX, and that I'm just gonna put like right here. See, now this is like hella yellow. Perfect, perfect. Now I'm gonna jump into my contour. So I use this for my BoxyCharm unboxing, so I'm gonna use the same thing, but I'm gonna use a little bit like less. So yeah, I'm gonna use a little bit less than I used the last time, because the last time I could not stop laughing. It was so funny. So I think that's enough. And now I'm gonna go in with my foundation. I know I did like a whole roundabout to come back to foundation, but you knew. Now I'm gonna go into my Soft Matte Complete, and I'm basically gonna go where I did not put contour or highlight. I feel like when I do that, and it could just be in my head, that I use less foundation. Okay, so first let's go and blend out that contour, and for that I'm gonna use a Morphe E34. I wasn't sure what brush I was gonna use, but I know I was gonna use a Morphe something. Or which Morphe brush. So we're just gonna go ahead and blend this. So I feel like I get a little bit better at this, because I tell you, the first time I used this, I know this still looks dark, but the first time I used this, it was like crazy, and I had to do a lot of blending. But so you see, just not, I mean, it's, don't get me wrong, like I know it's crazy, but girl, it could have been worse, because last time was insane. But I don't get too worried. This is a slick brush. When I first started doing makeup, it did make me nervous when I mess up a look or I start something and I was like, oh my god, how am I gonna finish this? Not anymore. If I can't finish it, then I'll take it off and do something else, or sometimes I actually like just do my other eye and let you guys see the mess, because I can tell you look at us and you'll be like, oh, you know, these people, they're really good at makeup. One, I taught myself to do makeup. Two, like, even the best of the best of the best, they do errors sometimes, you know, and you have to just go with the flow. Okay, so now that I look hella crazy, I'm gonna go in with my foundation brush and we're just gonna blend. Ooh. I'm just blending kind of everything together. See how this doesn't look crazy anymore? Like, I know. It's like magic. It's like poof and it's done. Okay, and now I'm gonna take like a big old powder brush, like so, and then I'm just gonna like dab everything together. Like so. Done. Now we're gonna go back and set under the eye. So first when you look at it, you're like, that's not, you're not gonna be able to blend this. Don't worry about it. We're gonna make it work. I'm using my Laura Mercier powder. And to set the rest of my face, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Laura Mercier, not Laura Mercier, Sephora Micro Smooth powder. Okay, so let's go ahead and put some base on my lower lash line. I'm gonna give my face some Morphe setting spray. And I'm gonna let it dry for a little bit because it just feels tight. Tight, tight, tight. I got this. This is Forget the Feeler from Lawless Beauty. I love it. I feel like if you already have plumpy lips, it just enhances your lips. For me, it doesn't do anything, which is fine. I just like how it felt. And it's a nice, you know, juicy kind of look. So I love it. I love it. Let's go ahead and let's blend the face. Actually, I'm gonna use this. This is from Rephr Cosmetics and it's the Smile You Are Beautiful. I'm gonna go into this shade right here. Does it have a name? No. Well, yes, Current. And it's like Current is very small. And I'm gonna put it on a BH Cosmetics brush. So it's called, this palette is actually called Good to Go. And inside it says smile because you're beautiful. And you are, so you should smile. But it's also been said that smiling causes wrinkles, so pick your poison, right? Do you want to smile? Or do you want to have wrinkles? I don't know. I don't know. This kind of looks like a blush, maybe. This one right here, or is this an eyeshadow? I don't know. Let's see. Or maybe this one, because this. I am gonna use a little bit of highlighter on there, but let's go to the eye real quick and finish that up. We're almost done. My hubby said, like, oh my god, is this a record? Maybe it is. Maybe it is. Who knows? So let's go back to that. We're gonna go to that really dark purple shade, which is called Contagious, on an M508 from Morphe. And this is, which one is called Blacker from Marc Jacobs. Let's use that to dust off some of that purple. And let's go into loyalty. Just gonna put a little bit of endearment. Just add a little base. Then we're gonna put a little bit of glitter glue. And now I'm just gonna bring down that light purple, which is attractive. And this is a M213 from Morphe. Okay, so let's go ahead and dust off this powder. And I'm gonna go back to this palette and we're gonna jump into just see this right here, and then I'm just gonna swivel my brush in there. Okay, so yeah, so that's it guys for this video. I had fun. You know, I'm gonna have more fun with my hubs and on his birthday. So yeah, so that's it for this video. What are you waiting for? Join the family. And you already know what? I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys. So far, it hurts to realize we're parted. And look at us now, this is who we are. And I just know things will never be the same. Like strangers again. Strangers again.